YouTube, check it out. Your boy got a package in the other day from Stlyecraft. I opened it, did some videos with it, but we're gonna unbox it live on camera for you. But if you're new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe, like, share, you know, all that good stuff. Help spread the word for your boy, you know what I'm saying? But nonetheless, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. Me unboxing this new package from Stlyecraft. Let's get it. All right, so as you can see, we have the Stlyecraft box here. Let's go ahead and open this thing up. We have the new Stlyecraft Pro Precision Saber. Let's go ahead and get this out the box. So check that out right there. There is a small glare due to my lighting up here. But as y'all can see, let's see if I can move that light up a little bit. But as y'all can see, here is the new Stlyecraft Pro Precision Saber. And the only difference is basically, well, I'll show y'all right now. Let's go ahead and check out the box. As you can see, nice packaging from Stlyecraft as always. You know what I'm saying? Pretty dope box. Made in the USA. But let's go ahead and look at some of the stuff on the back. Equipped with premium fixed gold titanium X Pro precision blade and DLC, the one precision cutting blade for super fine detail work. So it does have the one cutter and it is the smaller blade. As y'all can see, it is the small blade on there. Long life digital brushless motor offers more efficient power transfer for smooth operation and reduction of heat. And then we got fully adjustable blade, can be zero gap for the closest cut and finish. Lithium ion battery delivers 4 hours of cordless runtime with a 90-minute recharge. Can be used corded or cordless, so however you want to run it. If you want to run it corded or cordless, it works. Heavy duty full metal body and skeleton design exposes the blade for 360 visibility. Universal micro USB rechargeable for seamless worldwide use. Includes cleaning maintenance kit, instruction manual, mini screwdriver for blade regulation, charging cord, and charging stand. So that's basically all the stuff it comes with. As y'all can see, we have the precision blade. It does come with a charging dock, screwdriver, oil, all that good stuff that normally comes in the box. But let's go ahead and open this thing up. All right, but as you can see, we're gonna open this thing up so y'all can see the actual trimmer in here. All right, so we have the trimmer right here, as y'all can see, and then we also have the charging dock right here. Let's take out this charging dock. So as you can see, we got the SC charging dock. Let's put that to the side real quick, and let's see if we can get this trimmer out of here, which I could never get these tools out of the box when I need to. All right, so as y'all can see, here is the Saber trimmer. Nice looking trimmer. Once again, we do have the SC X Pro blade. The precision blade, which is the smaller blade, obviously. As you can see, we have precision right here. We got the Saber. On and off right here, the SC branding. We have a micro USB right here, and then we also have the regular charging port down there. So check it out. There is the trimmer, as y'all can see. Looks nice. We got the charging dock right here. So if you wanted to throw it in the charging dock, boom, there it is. But let's see what else comes in this box. So we're gonna move this box out the way. And as you can see, we do have the charging cord right here. We also have the SC screwdriver. We have the cleaning oil and the little cleaning brush, some extra screws. We get the micro USB charging cord, and then we get the user manual that we ain't ever gonna look at. But y'all check this thing out, man. Once again, we have the Stlyecraft Saber. I'm gonna turn it on for y'all, but y'all may not hear it great on the mic. But it is a super quiet trimmer. The regular saber was my go-to for a minute. We're gonna put this one to use and I'm gonna let y'all know what I think about it. Let's get it.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
Alright guys, so as y'all seen in the video, your boy was putting to use the new Stlyecraft Precision Saber. Now, it's basically the same saber that came out a while back, you know, that came out, I think like 2 years ago maybe. It's basically the same saber. From my knowledge and my use of it feels exactly the same. Only difference is obviously it comes with this smaller blade, which is the precision blade, which is why they're calling it the Precision Saber. Now, I know some people may be like, bro, why would you want to get a saber and put that small blade on it? Well, honestly, I like the small blade, you know what I'm saying? And the reason why I like it is a lot of times when I'm cutting kids or even some grown men, you know what I'm saying, they have like a small forehead, if you will. And sometimes using, I was trying to look for a regular trimmer, but sometimes using a regular trimmer will cut off their eyebrow. You know what I'm saying? And I don't want that to happen. So when you have a smaller blade like this one right here on the Precision Saber, that ain't gonna happen. It's gonna save you that trouble of trying to angle your trimmer a certain way to not cut off the eyebrow. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I really like this blade. And all in all, man, I think it performs well. As y'all seen in the video, I bought it out with it, I lined up with it, it worked well. Not a real big issue. Now I would say it's not hitting as good as my older saber, and I think the blade just may need to be adjusted. Yeah, looking at the blade a little bit, I don't know if y'all could tell, but it's not 100% zero gap. Most of the time I don't, there we go. So it's got pretty close, but it's not as close as my other trimmer. So it just didn't hit as well. Not saying that it didn't hit good or it didn't perform well. It just didn't hit as good as my other saber hits. And y'all already know that when it comes to the sabers is the truth. Like if you've used the saber before, you're gonna be a fan of this. Now, all in all, I already think the saber is a good tool. And I think with this blade on it, it just makes it a little different. You know what I'm saying? Like it just makes it, like I said, you can use for for smaller areas, on kids, stuff like that. And I didn't mind using it. Now for most of my balding out and lining up, I probably won't be using this blade. You know what I'm saying, this trimmer with this blade. I may use a regular trimmer that has a longer blade because I can get more work done. But for kids or for those lineups, you know, with the small foreheads, I definitely will be using this. So I'm going to keep this on my station. You know what I'm saying? I am a fan of the sabers. Now, I didn't have the black saber before. I had the gold sabers, but I will say I'm liking the way this black one looks. You know what I'm saying? I wish I had a black blade just so it can match, but nonetheless, still looks pretty dope, man. I'm enjoying using this. And like I said, I'm going to keep it on my station and keep using it. Now, I do know that they did just come out with a diamond cut blade. I think that's what it's called. I may be wrong. But unfortunately, I did not get that blade. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to see if I can get my hands on it. And if I can, I'm going to put that blade on this trimmer and I'm going to put it to use. And I'll give y'all a review on that later on, obviously. Let me try to get that blade first. But nonetheless, man, you can purchase this on the Stlyecraft website, stlyecraftus.com. Make sure to use my discount code TANK10 to save yourself some money upon purchasing this tool or really any tool on the Stlyecraft website. But if you want to look other places, let's say you wanted to check Fort Worth Barber Supply, you can go to fwbarbersupply.com. Check on there, and when you put it in your cart, make sure to use my discount code TANK10 on that website also. That way you can save yourself some money on that website also. But I'm just giving you two different options. I don't know what the price is on either website, but y'all check those websites out and y'all just pick whatever is best for you, you know what I'm saying? But nonetheless, the Precision Saber, all in all, great tool. I like using it. Me personally, I'm gonna keep this on my station and I'm gonna keep using it. And yeah, man, that's basically all I had to say about this trimmer. But with that being said, man, that's basically it for this video. If you like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.